So just trying to show my children how our African vegetables is like. This is a ogo leaf, and this ogo leaf is just like our own spinach leaves. So this is the rich vegetable we have in our homeland, and as you can see, it's like this. This is how it was bought. A bunch like this is 200 naira or 500. I don't know exactly, but I get somebody money to buy. I cannot tell how much. So that is how it is. So if you want to cut this ogu leaf, ogu means pumpkin in English, okay? That is pumpkin leaf or ogu leaf in the Igbo language, okay? So to cut it, you have to remove it from the bunch and get it this way. You have to be doing it this way. This